Are you struggling to find your webinar replay link in EverWebinar? Don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to access it in just a few simple steps, and by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to share your webinar replays with ease. Stick around till the end, because I'll also show you how to unlock an exclusive, extended free trial for EverWebinar that you won't want to miss. First things first, let's jump into your EverWebinar dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main screen where you manage your webinars. Next thing, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Webinars. This will take you to a list of all your scheduled and past webinars. Now, go ahead and find the webinar for which you need the replay link. Click on it to open up the webinar settings. The fourth thing you'll do is scroll down to the webinar settings section. Under here, you'll see an option for replay settings, or sometimes it will show as replay URL, depending on your version. Once you click this, EverWebinar will generate a direct link to your webinar replay. Now, if you want to customize the replay link, there's also an option to edit the URL or select different replay settings for how the replay is shown to your audience. You can control whether the replay shows up immediately after the webinar or only after a specific time. Next thing to keep in mind is that EverWebinar allows you to track replay views. This is useful if you want to see how many people have access to replay and monitor engagement, which can help you adjust future webinar strategies. Once you've located your link, you can copy it and share it wherever you want, whether that's on an email, a landing page, or through social media. It's that simple. Before you go, don't forget that you can start using EverWebinar completely free through the link in the description below. Plus, by clicking through that link, you'll get access to an exclusive extended free trial that you won't find anywhere else. So there you have it. Finding your webinar replay link in EverWebinar is quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out that link for your exclusive bonus.